Today's job servicing tutorial is going to be very exciting because I will be sharing one free job servicing platform that is going to give you free potential clients and it will not charge you any commissions. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. The free job servicing platform that I will be sharing with you today feels a little illegal to know because it is free in commission and you can create a free profile on it. That means you do not even need to create a website. So this is ideal for those of you who have just started job servicing but you might not want to invest in a website. You can literally do every single thing on this platform, which includes messaging your potential clients and get paid without leaving the platform. The free platform that I was referring to is called Contra.com. Contra.com is ideal for service-based business like what we are doing. So it's ideal for job servicing because most of the freelancer that is posting their services on Contra.com, they're actually promoting web services like the ones that we job service. On this platform, I see a lot of freelancers are actually promoting website design, social media management, product design, brand strategy, and many more. And these are the exact web services that we are job servicing. That is why I want to give the first-hand information about this website, how this website works, how you list your services to sell, and how your profile will look like. Once you have created your profile on Contra, you will then get opportunities from this platform. Contra will help to match potential clients to your skill set. Basically, getting jobs on Contra is pretty simple. They will send you personalized opportunities that fit your skill set. Another amazing feature is that you can share this profile just like how you share your website. This is how your profile will look like. It showcases your projects and services. The potential client will be able to chat with us with a click of a button. So they just need to click work with me. One thing to take note is that Contra payment is only available in the US right now, but they are going to roll out to more countries soon. So for the time being, you can always arrange a different payment method with your client. Now let me show you how to create a project, which is your portfolio. Click on the create project. I already saved the project link on my YouTube channel. So I just copy the YouTube link. Let's put your project title over here. For this video, it's about a wedding video, so I'll put that as wedding video. And now for the description, you can just write any description which is relevant to your video. And for my roles, I will put there as a video editor. The tools used, name the software that your freelancer use. Upload an image cover over here. And now you are done. You just need to publish your project. You can click on this corner to get the project link and share it out to your client. This is how all your project listings will look like. Now let me show you how to create a service. So you just need to add a service title. So for this one, I am doing an advanced video editing service. Put your price as fixed price and put a pricing to your service. Next, state the timeline of your service. When will it be completed? So for me, it's about 3 to 5 days. And then you can put up your description of your service. Click publish and you are done. So you also can share the service link. When you click the home button back to the Contra, you will be able to see all your projects and also services listing. One very good way to grow your job servicing business is to list your services to sell on as many online platforms as possible, and I would suggest you to list on Contra as well. This platform is highly recommended to you because it is commission free, you do not need to pay for the website, and you get job matching opportunities. I hope that this is helpful to get you started on doing job servicing business this year. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. There are more job servicing tutorials over here, so make sure that you check them out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!